going to test how Atlas mapping works on this kind of stuff. Atlas creates. That's fast. Now, if I were to use PLG instead, I would have to use make Atlas. And if I click this, it's actually going to run for 2 minutes, and then it's not going to create a great atlas, because some of these, for example, some of these polygons right here, well, actually in this case, oh, you know what? It's kind of like the same result. It's not using PLG Atlas on this one would be kind of the same, and it wouldn't be all that much better. It would be pretty much the same, and it would take 2 minutes for this chair. I mean, I wouldn't brag about this topology for this chair, but you know, so it could be actually useful. To yeah. You know, it maps all right. Okay, why not just try a wood texture? Do I have a wood texture? Let's see. Not that great, not that great. This one, okay, let's just use this one. I think what I'll do is I'll scale these up. So let's just use the wood texture in the background, and I'll scale this up. Why didn't that work? Oh. Something like that. So don't mind how this is just completely wrong outside. I just wanted to look at if Atlas mapping actually could work for this kind of stuff. And you know, that's, you know, this is not that bad, is it? I mean, that's a one-click solution, isn't it? So, you know, and the chair is rotated, so it's not correct in terms of it being like that and in the middle. So UV Atlas is actually doing a pretty good job. I mean, if you look at this, that's a one-click solution, and yeah, of course you could take these guys here let's just rotate them. So now it's in the correct direction. So in some areas, it would be, well, not correct. But you know what? I think that's pretty darn good. Remember that this is a low res wood texture. You really should have a 4K wood texture or something like that. But for a one-click solution, you know, that's damn nice. Not sure how Atlas would work on this one. Okay, so I had a crash. I'm gonna move this one to the background layer. I'm not sure how to go about this because this main object, it had about 50,000 polygons. This one is like 80,000, and if I run Atlas on that one, it will crash. I tried cutting out some polygons here, but it didn't really help. So I tried cutting and pasting to create a split, but it didn't help. It still crashed. So, and I know Atlas doesn't really like very complex stuff. As you can see, this is complex stuff, really. So you might just not want to use Atlas for this kind of topology. Yeah. So okay, we'll just drop it. We'll use PLG instead, and we'll take one of these mid ones. We'll just say advanced edge, so it's all the way around there. And I think we just can go like make UV fast. Is it made? No, not yet. So hold on Alt and try to rotate. Okay, it's halfway there. But yeah, this is a very dense mesh. 80,000 polygons. And okay, there we are. So it's created. And that should be, yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, that's how we can do that. I mean, I would say that this is pretty good. So combining Atlas with other techniques, you can actually, you know, can make it fairly neat. This one, yeah, I think I would do kind of like the same thing in regards to. I think I'll just use PLG on this one. Just cut it in half. Take this one, advanced edge, make UV fast. There it is. That's a bit strange. Ah, okay. Something funky happened. Ah, all right. This one, okay, that's, you know, that's an unlucky shot. I'll do this, and that should fix it. I'll do that, weld it, and should now loop correctly. It's a bit strange how they made that. Not the way you would usually go about it. Okay, this is a bit funky. So that one. Okay, that's just bad topology. Come on. I'm really not sure what to do here. Let's see. Because this mesh is messed up. But there's one thing that I can do to kind of cheat it. And that is to fix this mesh. It's kind of like going like that, I guess. I think that should kind of fix it in the end. Okay, that was not really part of the preview, but okay, there we go. We fixed it. Okay, so that's why that PLG didn't really UV map in the correct way. I could have gone other ways about it, but this is, yeah, this is one way. You know what? I could just loop it also, and there, you know, it could be, you could use ABF also. I think that should work fairly okay-ish. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Took a few seconds with ABF, but maybe it's the same speed. Yeah, now it's cool. Make it be fast. So let's see. Compare the speed to ABF. Yeah, PLG is actually faster. But you know what? I think ABF did a better job, didn't it? I think it did. This is not really all that square. So, interesting. If I undo that, yeah. What do you know? ABF is actually better in this case. So, okay, didn't really mean for that to take that long, but sorry. These are very low resolution, but okay, let's just do it. You can, yeah, pill is moving, so that's how you can actually figure out what surfaces is by going into statistics and going to check for the surface. Anyway, so pill is moving and texture. Wood, no, unwrap, yes, UV, and texture, yeah, there it is. So that's quite alright-ish. I guess I could, you know, I guess I could rotate these guys manually. Did I need to do that though? Because I have this optimizer pack UV, and so I could rotate the chart. Let's try. Maybe it would do it for me in a faster way. No. Well, kind of, but not really. Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of like optimized, but wasn't quite what I had in mind. Anyways, something like this. Okay,